Hi there, nice that you're watching. This is Rox, one of our cats. I show you around in the garden. It's raining and raining and raining once again. We have had like 22 millimeters of rain already today and it's still going. Growing vegetables is a challenge, also because of the snails and low temperature. Even our chicken stopped laying eggs and I think it's because of the temperature. Here you see the rain measurement, and well, this is my section where I grow vegetables, and some vegetables are not in the garden yet because I don't trust them with the snails. So, and here we have this beautiful bee still going strong. It's amazing. It's so valuable because that's how we get fruits and so on, and vegetables themselves. Here's a little glass house I'm building, and it's the best place to keep snails away. Still they come there, but it's easier because it's dry. And I put some mulch on the ground. Here some berries and the bees hotel. Get a glimpse of our vegetable section. Well, thanks for watching.